Hello folks, it's me Sasha. Holding the camera tonight is my wife Diane, and together we are Raven's Delight Expeditions. Or Explorations.
Explorations.
It's Explorations, that's right. Tonight's going to be something totally different. We're actually in the Raven's Lair, if you will, or Crow's Nest, which is our office. Got something special, a package. We are going to be doing an unboxing. Okay, anyway. I know what's in here. However, in order for you to appreciate what's in here, you need to know why I got this. As most of you know, those who've been following us, and for those who are just joining us, and by the way, we are delighted that you have joined us. I served in the United States Navy during the late 80s. I was stationed out of Long Beach, California, aboard the USS Mobile, LKA 115. 2 piers down was the USS New Jersey and the USS Missouri, I believe. Definitely the New Jersey. Sometime during my service, a shipmate of mine, real good friends, transferred over to the New Jersey and invited me to dinner. And I got to go aboard the New Jersey while I was in the service. So, yeah, that brings me to this package. In here, we've been following the New Jersey's refit. She's a museum ship now in Camden, New Jersey. And she was in dry dock this year. And we've been following that on YouTube, and I don't want that, actually. It's something totally different. We've been following that on YouTube, and she just recently came out of dry dock, and they're finishing up. They pulled up on the first level, the 00 deck, if you will, the main deck, all the teak. They're going to replace all the teak from that deck on up. And they've been selling off pieces of the Jersey's deck. And that's, I ordered a piece, seeing how I got to be on board her for a short period of time, even though it was just to have a meal. She was in Long Beach, California when she was still active. So this is actually a very personal piece that I got. A little memorabilia. It's from Battleship New Jersey. Camden, New Jersey. That's the. Oh, here we go. Oh, they look. They authenticated it.
Good.
Oh my goodness, this is great. Battleship New Jersey, certificate of authenticity. Museum and Memorial, BB62. Good. Big box, little package. That's all right.
Just be careful cutting it open.
Yeah, right.
Because you don't want to ruin it.
No, we do not want to ruin it. Hello, Dee Dee. Yes, you can play with the box, cat.
Just don't chew on it, Dee Dee.
Okay, here we go. We got this. They really packaged this up nicely. Oh, would you look at that? Now that is a piece of the decking of the USS New Jersey. That focus in?
Mm-hmm.
USS New Jersey, BB-62. An actual piece of the teak decking.
Cool.
Yes. That, my friends, is history.
Yes.
It's not the very first one they laid down. This is probably, I don't know, the ship was built after World War II, so, or thereabouts. Actually, no, yeah. I'm trying to remember. Sometime during World War II it was built. The keel was laid. So through the remaining balance of that, the Korean War, the Vietnam War, Operation Desert Storm, I believe. It was in the Gulf. So yeah, it's seen a lot of service. But I don't know. That's for me something special.
That's right.
Yeah. See? Okay. We got a place for this.
I would hope so.
Got that? Come on. Follow me. Walk this way.
Up!
Okay, so for the time being, I got patches to all the BBs. I'm going to probably put it in with that in the shadow box. But for right now, we're going to put that little girl right there in a place of honor.
That's right.
There it is. All right. So yeah, that wraps it up. I just had to make sure I didn't shut this thing up. That wraps it up for the two of us tonight. We appreciate the very short video. Our first unboxing.
Yeah.
There's more to come. Join us again. We'd be delighted to have you along. Thank you. And good night.
Good night.